Hello everyone, this is our session number 2 of lesson number 3, Gadgets and Icons. In this session, we are going to learn how to add gadgets, okay, and how to remove those gadgets and how to customize those gadgets, okay. So let's see first what is gadget or what are gadgets. Actually, gadgets are what are programs. That means gadgets are many programs, okay, and they help us to get what the daily updates like today's date time, okay, today's temperature, okay. So like this what the many programs are provided by Windows operating system, and in this what these gadgets are the again which clock, then weather forecasting details, okay, currency meter, CPU meter, then clock. So what these are some gadgets or examples of gadgets, and if you want to add those gadgets you can add it in Microsoft Windows 7 or in 2007 by using what the context menu, which is the over on what the desktop when you will press the right button of the mouse. So let's see how to add gadget or gadgets on what desktop. So if you want to add gadgets on desktop you can add gadgets on desktop. So first we have to switch to the desktop, right click on desktop, click to gadgets, show as gadgets option will open a gadgets window. Then which gadget you want to add on screen, you right click on it, just click to add, you will see this gadgets here. You can add a single gadget number of times, like I'm going to add calendar 2 times, you can, okay. Then clock, you want to add a clock, select right click add, okay. There's one more method, you can use a click and drag option, just click here, drag where you want to add, okay. And if you want to remove those gadgets you can remove, just go to close, okay, understand. Then next one, if you want to customize you can customize those gadgets, like I want to customize what this clock. Then there is the one spanner, there's the options, click on it, will open a settings option. When you click on it then you have to choose what the clock type or clock design. Then after selecting what clock design you have to enter name for clock, like I want to enter here name of school. Then click to OK. Some other options are there, show today's computer date and time, show second hand, okay, click to OK. Here is that clock is showing a name and there is a second hand also, okay. If you don't want this you can close it, click to close, okay. Now it is closed. So it is about what the gadgets, okay. Now let's see what is next point after gadgets. And next point, that is different gadgets types. Calendar, it will show what current date and time. Then clock gadget, you will get here today's current time and date. CPU meter, you can see here what the performance of CPU memory uses and all. Currency gadget will show what conversion rates of different currencies. This after the news, the feed headlines, okay, will show you what personalized blog or articles, etc. Picture puzzle, for time pass you can use it, you can solve what the tiles by sliding them, okay, to solve what the puzzle. Slideshow gadget to show what how to make a slideshow or to show pictures, okay. Then next one, weather gadgets to show what are current updates of what the weather. This after the next one, there's an activity which you have to solve, identify the gadgets and write their names, okay. So let's see what these are. Actually it is a clock gadget, it is a calendar gadget, it is CPU meter and weather meter, okay. So here we solve that, you have to solve it in your computer textbook, okay. Let's see what is next point. This after next point, that is exercise, I think here over this lesson, okay. You have to solve this exercise. In first question, fill in the blanks are there. By using what hint box you have to solve what these fill in the blanks, okay. State whether these statements are correct or incorrect or true or false, you have to write here. and also you have to solve these questions in your computer notebook. This after the next one, answer in short. You have to write answer in short in one sentence or in one word. Then take the correct answer. Which one is correct you have to take like this. Okay, and also you have to solve in a computer notebook. This after the next one, answer the following questions. You have to solve 2 to 3 sentences. You have to solve it with the 2 to 3 sentences. This after the next one, match the following. You have to match what correct pairs. Also you have to solve in a computer notebook. Application based questions are there. Also you have to solve. And lab activity, if computer is at home, you can solve it. Otherwise I'm going to continue what these practicals in computer lab when school will reopen. Okay, so enough for today. We'll see next point in next session. Okay, I hope you all understand. If you have any query related or regarding what this session, you can drop your query over the WhatsApp group. Okay.